Which one of them is his wife? If we look at the wedding photo, we can see that his wife isn't wearing any necklace. The second woman is his wife. Question 2. Which one of them killed the teacher? There's no proof that the third or the second one did it, but the first one is hiding a knife. He killed the teacher. If you got the first 2 questions right, double tap the screen and favorite this quiz so I know. Now hold down the comment button and pick an emoji. If you pick this emoji, you are eliminated. Did you know when you follow me, my profile picture starts dancing? Let's go! Question 4. What is the third app that appears when you click share and then more? If it's the Messenger app, I am sorry, but you're eliminated. Okay, final question. Only 1% of people can get this right. Guess the number. Leave the correct answer in the comments.